Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to talk about what people who recover from narcissistic abuse have in common. Narcissistic abuse is a form of emotional abuse that can have a devastating impact on its victims. It can lead to feelings of worthlessness, shame, and isolation. But it is possible to recover from narcissistic abuse, and there are certain things that people who do recover have in common. In this video, we'll be discussing some of the common traits and characteristics that people who recover from narcissistic abuse have. One of the most important things that people who recover from narcissistic abuse have in common is a strong sense of self-awareness. They have taken the time to learn about narcissism and its effects, and they have developed a deep understanding of their own needs and boundaries. This self-awareness allows them to recognize and avoid toxic relationships in the future. Self-care is essential for anyone recovering from narcissistic abuse. This means taking care of your physical, emotional, and mental health. It includes things like eating healthy, getting enough sleep, and exercising regularly. It also includes setting boundaries with others and saying no to things that you don't want to do. People who recover from narcissistic abuse also tend to be compassionate and forgiving. This compassion allows them to move on with their lives without being weighed down by bitterness or resentment. One of the biggest challenges for people recovering from narcissistic abuse is forgiving themselves. They are willing to forgive themselves. They understand that narcissists are often deeply wounded individuals, and they do not hold grudges against them. They may feel like they did something wrong to deserve the abuse, or they may feel like they were weak for allowing it to happen. But it's important to remember that you are not to blame for the abuse. You were the victim, and you deserve to forgive yourself. Another common trait of people who recover from narcissistic abuse is resilience. They have been through a lot, but they have not given up on themselves. They have the strength and determination to rebuild their lives and create a brighter future for themselves. They are determined to heal. Recovery from narcissistic abuse takes time and effort. There will be setbacks along the way, but it's important to keep moving forward. Stay focused on from narcissistic abuse, know that you are not alone. Some people care about you, and there are resources available to help you. With time and effort, you can heal from the abuse and rebuild your life. Many people have been through what you have, and they have gone on to live happy and fulfilling lives. With self-awareness, resilience, compassion, forgiveness, and a strong support system, you can too. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.